All right, here's a good question. It says the bicycle tire has a radius of 25 centimeters. Okay, radius 25. And then they travel 5 kilometers. Now hold on, I got to get those units the same. Let's convert that. So kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters. So I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 zeros after that. So 500,000 centimeters. Okay. If I travel that many centimeters, how many times will the wheel go around? So they want to know revolutions. Okay, well, I can't get revolutions directly. I can get radians and then convert to revolutions. So let's do it. Our formula is an angle is equal to S over R. Our arc length would be this distance here, because when the tire goes round, it would just go, this distance that's flat would be your arc length. So that's 500,000 centimeters. Divided by your radius is 25 centimeters. Okay, so that's going to give me 2 and 4 zeros, I think. 20,000 radians. So that's how many not revolutions, how many radians that the wheel would have traveled. If I want to know how many revolutions that is, I can do that conversion unit. So 20,000 radians times 2 pi radians are the same as 1 revolution. Okay, so that'll give me revolutions. Let's do that on decimals here. Okay, so I need to go. Let me do that first one just to make sure I was right. Okay, 50. 500. 2, 3. Divide 25. 20,000, yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to take that number and times it by 1 over 2 pi. There we go. Okay, so 3,183 revolutions. And I think that's what the question asks for. To the nearest revolutions, I think that's right. So 3,183 revolutions. Hope that helps.